All right, going to do a quick video. We're actually checking out, but I didn't do a video of the room. It's a pretty small bed for a large bed, using a chair from the balcony because there's no nightstand. $1 million view. That's where all the money is spent. This is normally a pretty pricey hotel. I got a good price because of COVID. All the things are on special. Great view, great balcony, tiny little fridge, tiny little TV. The walls, there's bugs. You see a lot of bugs crawling. The walls could definitely use some paint. Maintenance has not been a priority in this place. The bathroom was decent. The shower was okay. I mean, look at the light, how dirty that is. See all that crud up in the light. Look at the sink. I mean, lack of amenities. No shampoo, soap, any of that stuff. Thank God my girl was smart enough to bring this stuff. She brought that with her. That wasn't provided by this hotel. So that's the first place we've stayed in this price range where they didn't give you just basic stuff like soap and shampoo, less more, earbuds or, the cotton buds, Q-tips or anything like that. So that was weird. No coffee maker, no way to make coffee, no hot water kettle, which, I mean, I've stayed in places for $10 a night that had the hot water kettle. So I was very surprised about that. So it's clear the guy who owns this place doesn't believe in putting any money in it, and they're just getting by with the view because it is friggin' gorgeous out that window. But as far as is it worth the money? Hell no. I don't think, especially the pre-COVID prices. There's no way this place would rate that. Breakfast is not included. This is the place I told you about where you got to pay extra 250 baht for a shitty breakfast. The American breakfast has one egg. It's terrible. So it's called the Seabreeze, Bang Saen. Great view, nice balcony room, but everything else about it sucked. No night table, no lights, no lamps. So it's missing a lot of basic amenities.